Well, we're 3 weeks now into lockdown of COVID-19 pandemic, and we're all safely at home. Katie has been in storage now for a month, so we're really missing seeing her, aren't we? We just thought we'd bring you up to date with a few things that we're doing with our channel, and one of them is we're going to be doing old versions of some of our older YouTube videos that we took. So one of the ones that we're doing today that we're going to show you is of our time in York, which was back in November. And we did a walk around the wall.
So we're doing this one in 360 again. I don't know if you saw the ones at the motorhome show, how to go there, but this is the first time we've actually kind of taken, made a video from the outdoors with the 360. So you might be watching it on a TV, and you can use the TV remote to scroll around, have a look around. You might be viewing on a tablet, and so on a tablet you basically kind of move it around like this to kind of see up and down and around.
You can just...
On a phone. Oh yeah, and
you can
also...
use your finger as well, you don't have to be doing that.
And also, yeah, you can move your finger around on the screen. On a mouse, you move the mouse around. And finally, you may have a pair of VR headsets, which you can also use. These aren't that expensive actually, these are only about £20–30. But you know, the quality is not as good as viewing it maybe on a tablet. I think my favourite thing to view it on is actually the tablet. But just to say one thing, when you're viewing it, you've got to make sure that you've got it on at least HD, 1080 or 4K. And so in YouTube, you'll see 3 dots at the top there. Click on those 3 dots, select quality, and here I can see that it goes all the way up to 2160, and so that's the best thing to select, and you've got a great viewing experience like that if your broadband speed supports it. I'm going to dedicate this video to the NHS. They saved the life of one of my friends last week, so you know, so indebted to them. They're doing a great job.
Well done, NHS. We applaud you and everyone else to do with it, key workers, carers. It's hard times, but yeah, we'll get through this together. Because obviously we don't know how long we're going to be on lockdown. You've probably seen one of our vlogs recently that we put out, which was in Mauritius. It was our honeymoon from nearly 3 years ago now. And there's also another 3, isn't there? Yeah. 3 videos that we may put out as well. So let us know what you think about them. One of them is incredible. It's swimming with the dolphins out in the sea, which is just one of our bucket lists. It was amazing, wasn't it? So yeah, so we might put those on depending on when we can get back out again and start doing our adventures. So hope you enjoy. Bye for now.
Bye. Something's new today.
Me?
Not you.
Oh.
We've got a new camera. So this could all go terribly wrong when I'm making the vlog, but this is the new GoPro Max 360 camera. So I should be able to do some extra great things with it.
Where are we going today, Barney?
Well, we're in York. We're stopping at the Roundtree Motorhome and Caravan camping site. It's very nice. Oh, car coming. Super great location, right next to the river, very close to York, just a 10-minute walk in. So that all sounds really good.
And we're going to go for a walk now across the wall of York.
It's about 3.9 miles. That is exactly what it is, 3.9 miles. And we're going to walk all the way around.
And hopefully get some good views with the new camera.
Absolutely.
Let's see what we can do with it.
York Street away from the campsite is this main road, but it's got loads of lovely bars, restaurants and shops.
Pig and pastry.
We came down here last night and had some fish and chips. They were amazing.
Superb.
I've not told Michelle yet why they were superb. They call it a Whitby chip shop. All that means is they can cook it in lard.
Oh my god!
But that's why they taste so nice. I'm not sure if it is really lard, but well, here it is.
Well, I had the skinny version and he said it's 400 calories.
Well, here we go. Entrance into the wall,
The
hopefully.
city walls.
Just 5 minutes into the walk, and we can see York Minster in the background there, looking mighty fine. No doubt we shall see that in better detail later. Wall's getting a bit high in places now, so we've got this metal railing to protect us.